Now, the dress.
Now let's move on to this beautiful maxi dress. It's a max dress with a solid top. We're offering for you at $69 with 2 easy payments of $34.50. The sizes are 8 sizes available from extra small through to XL plus 1X, 2X, and 3X. And I'll quickly touch on the length here. Is 51.5 inches through the sizes to 51.5 through all sizes.
Good. This is based on my best-selling Ultimate Maxi dress. The reason why this is the best-selling dress, and it's so hard to see in black, so I'm just bear with me, and when you get it home, you'll see it, is because I have indented the waist. So normally a waist would start here. On this, it starts, look how further in, it starts here. So all the action is in the span of my fingertips. So what I've done for you here is I've literally created a waist, and not just any waist, the tiniest waist. So some of you say to me, Liz, I hate my waist. Some of you say to me, Liz, I don't have a waist. Liz, I have a large waist. Not in this dress. No, you don't. You have a waist that begins here. It's all about that magic illusion. The pounds that are over there are melting away. And again, on this print, it's hard to tell, but I have this indented seaming goes all the way through like this. So it's slicing your body, and this part of your upper thigh and your legs, that's just melting away. And we've got this is what people are seeing. So it is the most slimming dress you could own. I've done it with this black top because that gives you that tiny, tiny top. And then when you get down to the waist, I haven't just indented the waist. I've also given you, and again, on black it's hard to see, I know, but this extra angled belt. So the belt is doing this. Do you see what I'm doing? Like this. Angling in. So I'm building the architecture of thinness into the design of this dress, literally creating points going towards a skinnier you. And of course, the gold ring, although a decorative feature, is also focusing eyes inward. Now, if you don't mind turning around for a minute, I'm going to show you that I do the same thing to you from behind, because the world sees you in 360, even though you may just stand in front of the mirror in the morning and look at yourself front to back. The actual truth is, and I've seen this on so many red carpets when I'm with celebrities, there are cameras everywhere. But in real life, maybe there aren't cameras everywhere, but there are people everywhere. So I've given you this back waist belt, also indented. It doesn't start out here, it starts in here. So I'm giving you hourglass, front and back, and with this gorgeous up and down ikat print, giving you the slim skirt look. So you're going to look tiny in this, and as we all know, Ultimate Maxis and Maxis are just the dress that we all want to be in these days.
Oh, totally. So beautiful, soft, feels great against your skin. With the heat of summer coming up, you're going to love wearing this. It'll be perfect.
Well, it's from flip-flops to black tie, really.
Yes, I agree. You know, you've said it so beautifully and designed it so well for all of us. For all women, you're going to look amazing, and it should be easy. You know, you're wearing so many hats, you're busy with kids, maybe looking after a few generations in your family and your career.
So many of us are.
Absolutely. And, you know, you want to be out the door quick. What do you think? I just had to put this on. Isn't that gorgeous?
I love it, and I love the way it just changed up that outfit.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's perfect with it.
Thank you. Well, look at this.